my pursuit to uphold the significance in the role of their 69 nations. My participation is to join this prestigious beauty pageant, not to compete, but to promote friendship among my fellow gays. Good evening to each and everyone standing right before you. I'm Ariel Timbulan in your life. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, do allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisang nagsabi ng katagang. In my 22 years of existing, I did have a major problem I encountered. Ang nag-iisang fourth runner-up 2010 Miss Universe, the one and only Miss Maria Venus Ras. Kung ang mga kababaihay tinaguriang puno ng saging at ang mga kababaihay lalaki ng kanilang tinaguriang bunga ng puno ng saging, pwes kami mga baling ay mag-chin nakakain ang iyong saging. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Maria Venus Ras saying thank you and I love you all. Thank you very much, candidate 12. This time, once again, let us now have all of our candidates in their creative costumes. Candidate. Ayan, maganda gabi pa. Palakpakan naman. Nako, excuse me. Sorry. Okay. In the 21 years of my existence, okay. Palakpakan naman dyan, guys. Ayan. Ay, sa'yo to. Okay, sandali lang anak. Okay. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ang mga candidates. Nako, lumipin pa, Barangay Sapa, Libutat, ang hina ng palakpakan. Alam ko, nagantay po tayo first, pero gagawin nating masaya ang gabi ito. Of course, this is the coronation night. Kagabi po ang ating pre-pageant. Ako, kawawa naman ang kapatid ko, baka hindi sa kanya to. Sige, palagay na lang natin sa likod. Okay, yan candidates, maraming salamat.